Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Java.rmi, remote method invocation, is a powerful feature that allows a Java program to invoke methods on an object located in another Java virtual machine, JVM. This makes it possible to create distributed applications in Java. Below is a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a simple Java RMI application, including server and client code examples. Step 1, setting up the environment. Ensure you have the following installed: JDK, Java Development Kit, version 8 or higher. A text editor or IDE, like Eclipse, intellij IDEA, or vscode. Step 2, create the remote interface. This interface defines the methods that can be called remotely. It must extend java.rmi.remote, and its methods must throw remote exception. Step 3, implement the remote interface. Create a class that implements the remote interface. This class contains the actual implementation of the remote methods. Step 4, create the RMI server. The server will create an instance of the remote object and register it with the RMI registry. Step 5, create the RMI client. The client will look up the remote object in the RMI registry and invoke the remote method. Step 6, compile the code. Compile all the Java files. Make sure you are in the directory where the files are located. Step 7, start the RMI registry. Before running the server, you must start the RMI registry. You can do this from the command line by executing. Make sure to run this command in the same directory where your classes are located or specify the class path. Step 8, run the RMI server. In a terminal, run the server. Step 9, run the RMI client. In another terminal, run the client. Expected output. When you run the client, you should see the following output. Conclusion. You have successfully created a simple Java RMI application. This tutorial demonstrated the creation of a remote interface, its implementation, an RMI server, and a client that invokes a remote method. You can expand on this by adding more complex methods, handling exceptions, or using different data types.